Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 2 on Google Gemini. As I said in our previous lesson, I said we are going to be exploring some of the features of Google Gemini. So without wasting much of our time, let me click on the two lines from the bottom left and go appear. Now let's start with the visual layout, which is the last one. Visual layout. Let me click on this visual layout and let me put in my prompt. Alright, this is prompt. Explain photosynthesis to a college student. Illustrations. Alright, let's click. So you can see this is quite different from ChatGPT. It is telling the request. You can see there are some blocks in form of design. Alright, this is the response we get. You can see from the first thing it shows a green leaf with a ray of a light, a sun. So you see this how it gave us a response in a visual way. You can see we have image. You can see the chemical equation. And you can also see the stages of photosynthesis. You can see the stages, and from here you can even pass a slide. You can also see a visual flow of the energy and matter. Now you can see what I was saying. It even gives us a video, a detailed video explanation of this photosynthesis. There, just click on it and it will play.
Almost all life on Earth is solar powered. Plants, algae, and some bacteria capture light energy from the sun and convert it to chemical energy in a series of reactions called photosynthesis. These organisms produce carbohydrates from simple building blocks like water and carbon dioxide from the environment, and in the process, they release oxygen. Photosynthesis nourishes almost the entire living world. Photosynthesis is a set of chemical reactions in which light energy is converted to chemical energy. Light energy enables the movement of electrons from molecules that donate electrons to molecules that accept electrons. But which molecules? Water is the first electron donor. The carbon in carbon dioxide is the ultimate electron acceptor.
So we can see these are the details we have from our visual layouts. So we don't even need a long prompt. Just be direct, and after clicking the visual layout, just be direct, and you're going to have a very comprehensive and visual appealing response. Now let's go to the next feature, which is guided learning. After clicking on guided learning, we'll now click on the plus sign. Click on files for us to upload a PDF. Let me upload this PDF. So I can ask any question. See, and I can also generate audio overview as an of this document I upload. That's why you are seeing assigned the generate audio overview. Also generate audio podcast about this. But let me just ask a simple question. What does this document entail? Click. Alright, you can see he has given me, he said this document is a classic text titled Psychology of Intelligent Analysis by so. Basically, it argues that intelligent failures are often caused by a limitation of that you can see. Then from here, I can still continue to ask questions. Please give me 10 quick questions from chapter 1 of this book. Now, he has already generated a question for us, or you now click on open. click on open through any web browser you want to open it. So you have seen it. Yes, making it in a according to the cognitive, what is the fundamental characteristic of how the human mind processes information? And choose any of the option. If it's option B, we say B, which is the right answer is A. You now click on next. This is how it continues going, and it's going to be grading you. You see, so this guided learning is very fascinating feature for people who are undergoing online studies, and that is distance learning. People that even want to get, want to comprehend a particular book or a particular course of studies. Now that's all about this. Let's go back to the third feature we are going to talk about today, which is Canvas. All right. Now Canvas, I told you that what Canvas has to do with if you want to write a report or a project. That is why Canvas comes in handy. Now let's take let me detail project paper titled Globalization and Technology. Now he has created our project paper for us. Now let's click on open. So you can see this is Globalization Technology, the twin engine of modern transformation. This is the abstract, this is the table of content. Anything that you don't want here, from introduction or whatsoever, you can just highlight it or write it that, okay, please, let me take from introduction now. Let me say, please rewrite the introduction. So if you like, you can even give him a befitting context, how he's going to rewrite the introduction. And now you can see that the introduction has been written from the document. You see, it has been written. And even table of content, if you want to add something on table of content, just access to add something on table of content. For example, let me say that add acknowledgement in table of content before introduction. So now let's go to our table of content. Can you see now? Table of content acknowledgement has now been added to a table of content before introduction. So you don't need to go to Microsoft Office to edit any project paper that you've gotten from Gemini. Here you can be able to be editing any part of this document. All right, that's all about today's lesson. In our next lesson, we are going to be going into image creation using Nano Banana. Thank you very much, and see you in our next lesson.